here now at Johnston Canyon, guys. Just gonna gear up my snow pants because it's a bit chilly.
12 seconds later.
Good things happen over Canyon Coffee or Coffee Canyon. For the vloggers.
Hello!
Lakad na kami. Mukha na ako magnanakaw dito, chat. You are here. We're going where? Lower Falls, this one. Here. Tignan nyo na lang kung hanggang saan kami makaabot. Baka kalahati pa lang yung ano namin. Bumalik na kami, guys.
Hello guys, so we're here in the Johnson's Canyon.
Baby Johnson.
Baby Johnson. So ngayon naglalakad kami guys. Saan tayo pupunta? Sa Lower Falls?
May falls kasi doon sa may malapit doon. So pupuntahan natin. Para maganda na mag-picture para.
Saan?
Sa pupunta pa.
Hey!
Drop it!
So guys, vlog takeover nga pala guys.
Paunahin mo sila, paunahin natin
Mauna
sila.
kayo para ma-videohan namin kayo.
Hindi kami concerned, gusto lang namin content.
Vlog takeover kay Ari Barrias. I-edit mo to kay G ah. Diba?
Kasi malapit na edit yan.
Malapit na edit to. Edit mo to par.
Anong kailangan kong gawin upang malaman mo ikaw?
Tingnan mo, may spaceship.
Ayun na,
din, ano.
gusto ko
May
yun eh.
spaceship, may spaceship sa ulo ko ngayon. Ayun oh.
Wow! Ay ganda guys oh. Oh,
Tapos yung mga puno dito, puto.
laki hayop dito.
Ayun oh, naka-pink na gloves.
Kwento mo nga yung nag-hike kayo dati. Saan kayo nag-hike dati?
Five Lake. So meron siyang paikot na trail. Ewan ko magkakahiwalay siya eh. Pero sobrang ganda guys.
So ano yun? Puro lake yung mga nadadaanan niya.
Oo. Yung iba drinkable yung ano doon, tubig.
Kung doon sa sinasabi niya guys, lake. Dito naman, puro waterfalls. Pero frozen siya ngayon kasi winter ngayon eh. So ayun guys, lakad muna kami. Let's go.
Hihi.
Sabi mo, let's go.
Let's get it. Lego. Po.
Po. Saan? Gagaling ng mga puno guys sa amin, so alam mo bakit? Tanong mo. Ayan, tinanong mo. Kasi yung tubo nila pataas. Eh di ba ang land nila pa ganun? So bakit hindi pa ganun ang ang tubo?
Ito mo kay Lord.
Oo nga. Yan ang creation ni Lord.
Okay.
Huwag mong questionin. Ganun siya kagaling.
Sabi ko, na-amaze ako.
Hindi kasi sabi mo, tanong mo kung bakit.
Gravity.
Tayo, ang tayo natin, pag ganun, kahit ang mundo ngayon, kunyari tayo ay nasa tapat ng sun, nakaganyan, hindi naman tayo nakaganon.
Ay, gaganto ko.
Gaganto.
Oo.
Nakaganon.
Snowboarding. Oo.
Galing naman mag-snowboard. Ang galing naman. Kaya mahal na mahal ko to eh. Dami nga, skilled na skilled eh.
What time did we start?
Walking?
Yeah. Like 10 minutes ago. I'm already tired. So, yung parking 570 meters tsaka banyo. Yun pa lang yung nalalakad namin, 570 meters. Yung pupuntahan namin is 645 meters. Meters?
Oh. Meaners! Meaners! So guys, dating tubig yan, ngayong snow pa. Pag summer, water. Pag winter,
It's no.
snow.
Angas na, no? Hindi namin ma-zoom yung camera, guys.
Tsaka
Parang
ito,
ang
guys.
galing ng
Ano talaga siya?
Falls niya.
Yeah.
Ayun, no? Natuyo na siya.
Natuyo, like, na-frozen. Ayun pa, meron pa dun guys. Madami pa. Tapos papunta siya dun sa baba. Ganda na explore.
Nakapagod. Ang tigas na nung daliri ko sa paa. That's all waters
Para diretso.
on summer time. Are you having fun?
Yes, because I'm with you.
Really, huh? That's all water on summertime.
Yeah, water yan.
Ganda.
Lahat.
I love the view.
I love you.
Love. I do. Chop. Tara na. Tingnan nyo guys, there's a little hole and it's flowing water. Water underneath is not frozen. It's just on top. Sobrang ganda. Grabe. Wala akong masabi sa place na to. Solid. Ayun o. Kita nyo yun guys. Nagpo-flow pa rin yung water niya sa ilalim ng ice.
Yeah.
Ang galing. Yan yung falls guys. Nakikita nyo ba yan?
Yeah.
Ito. Tapos
Hindi sa
nagiging-
tuktok. Tas, pababa
nagiging
dito.
river siya hanggang
Punta
doon.
doon. Doon sa pinakita namin sa inyo guys, yung unang-una.
So kahit winter, frozen yung ibabaw niya, pero like yung ilalim niya, it's still going through. That's why may water pa rin na ganyan. Parang sarap mag-dive dyan. Ang sarap mag-dive guys. Parang gusto kong tumalon from here. Tapos hindi niya na lang ako makita ulit. Ganda guys. Basta.
Okay naman, naghihintay lang kami sa mga lovers.
Kasi yung mga lovers na traffic.
Another achievement for us. Sobrang ganda dito guys. Grabe, paano kaya ito nagawa, no? Paano ito nagawa? Paano siya nagawa guys? Kontakin nyo nga yung construction worker nito. So guys, nakita niyo yung itsura niya ngayon winter. Tingnan natin kung anong itsura niya sa summer. Babalik kami dito. Pangako yan. So we just got out of that tunnel over there and we just took some photos guys. You'll see it on our social media accounts, so follow us on our social media accounts as well. We'll put it in the description box below. So nice here. Another adventure for us, lover.
More to come.
We won't go at the upper falls anymore because we're running out of time. So yeah, we'll just head back to our car now and we'll see you guys later. So guys, we reached the end and this is what we walked. The lower falls half mile. So we made it. So it says here that we're here. Then we went up to the lower falls. Next time on my birthday, we said that we're gonna walk onto the upper one, onto the top. Say hi guys!
What up, chat? What up, chat?
So guys, we're here. We're here back again in
Banff Town.
Town. Today we're gonna eat.
Spotted mga vloggers, oh.
Guys, tignan nyo isa't isa. Titigan nyo isa't isa guys. Saan tayo papunta ngayon?
Chaya.
Chaya.
Ayun no, katabi ng McDo.
Chaya Geronimo.
Nasaan ko ba sa inyo?
Chaya! Chaya, Geronimo daw.
Siya ba yung kumanta ng ano? Wala na bang pag-ibig?
Yun. Gusto ko yan. Gusto ko yung parang na.
Siya ba yun?
Oo, baka siya.
Okay.
Hello. For 4. Can we just sit anywhere or? Oh, okay, dito na kami guys sa
Papakita ko sa inyo.
Shoku Izakaya. Nagkikrave si Kat ng sushi kahapon pa, so pagbibigyan natin. Our appetizers. May dessert. So,
Late night snack.
Ito main course.
wow.
Main course.
Main course.
Let's eat, guys.
Tumidikit ka sa akin.
We're done eating, guys. We're on our way to the hot springs. Was there food good, love?
Yeah, but customer service.
It's okay. The food was good though.
Yeah, the
I didn't
service
finish my
is
food
fast.
because it's a lot.
What the hell was that?
So hey guys, we were on our way to the hot spring, but we thought
Dito,
we
ganda dito.
might stop
Tripod, oh.
over sa Cascade Gardens. Some of you will probably know about this already. Those of you who've been here in Banff. But if you haven't been here, this place is a must-see spot as well. That's, I think, a museum. And that's the famous Banff Mountain. There's a little gazebo.
Emergency! Emergency! Emergency!
Isa, tamo na yan doon.
Ikaw, set up mo
Ayoko.
kasi kailangan mo maglagay.
Okay na.
Oh, tignan mo.
Let's run! Look at that view, guys. Sobrang solid niya. Sa-set up ko muna kayo, ha? Diyan muna kayo, ha? Huwag ka makulit, ha?
They don't love you like I love you. Wait, they don't love you like I love you. Nah.
Huli mo ako. Pero ikaw naman. Huli mo! So nandito na kami guys sa hot spring. We're just walking from the parking lot to the hot spring.
Walking.
Banff since 1886. Wow! Mustang! Wah! Lamig chat! Ang hangin na. Paglabas natin basa-basa buhok. Hindi, may dala naman akong blower.
Ako din.
Pro
blower
tip
din
guys! Magdala kayo ng blower pag mag-hot spring
Meron
kayo.
din akong blower, guys. Katabi ko.
Ha?
Oh,
Anong blower?
hindi
Ah!
mo-
Wah! Magpapaalam kami if we can take videos inside. But if not, then we can't. Let's go? Let's go! Go! Hey guys, we're ready to go out? Hi guys! Hi guys! We're just gonna shower first, then we're going out. Ang init! Ah! guys, so pinayagan pala kami mag-video inside. Just try to avoid other people. So yeah, here we are inside Ethan's friend. It's so good. Sobrang sarap, guys. Tingnan niyo yung view namin. This is always like one of the itinerary pag pumupunta kami ng Banff or like kahit sa Jasper nung nag-Jasper kami, we also went to a hot spring. Mag-me time muna kami. Us time, right?
Yes.
Okay, see you guys later.
Bye.
We're out already, guys. The boys are here.
Chilling guys, chilling sila.
Sisig ako. Pwede, sige. 1, 2, 3. Ayan na!
Hey
Hi,
guys. I think this is where it ends. Wow.
Yes.
Our 3-day vlog ends here, guys. Time check, it's 12:10 and we're now going home. Hope you guys had fun because we did. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. Follow us on all our social media accounts.
We'll put it down in the description below.
See you on the next video.
Bye.
Bye. Arigato.